Now, due to some licensing issues, Offensive Security doesn't ship Metasploit Community and the Trial Pro versions in Kali Linux. That's why I want to provide you with another free option, which is called Armitage. Now, it's not an addition of the Metasploit framework. It's an interface that will help you manage your penetration tests. It has a very good Java-based graphical user interface. And as I said before, hey, it's developed by Raphael Mudge. So the goal here is to help security professionals better understand hacking and help them realize the power of Metasploit. So now let's have a look at how to get into this tool. You don't need to install Armitage into Kali. It already comes pre-installed. So naturally, you can install Armitage to some other Linux distros, but for Windows, it's not valid. So you can't work with Armitage on Windows systems. Now, you may find a way to use it on Windows, but it probably won't be worth the effort. Anyway, open your terminal and type Armitage. And it asks for connecting to the database server, so click Connect. Then it'll ask to start Metasploit RPC server to remotely interact with Metasploit, so click Yes. And at first glance, this is what it looks like. Now, you see that on the left pane, the modules are there. And on the right pane, there is nothing, but if you have your hosts, it will be listed. And below is for the console and the module-specific tabs. So you can manage Armitage from the above menu. And here inside the Armitage menu item, you can set global settings for Armitage and create listeners, change the view of the right pane. The console item provides you with a place to manage your credentials, your jobs, downloaded files, and all that. And you'll see that they come up as tabs below. Under the host item, there are options for managing hosts on your penetration test. Armitage allows you to add host and make an Nmap scan on them at any time during a pen test. Another great feature of Armitage is here under the attacks menu. It will suggest exploits for your target host after a rather extensive enumeration. So if you want to, you can try every suitable exploit onto the target host. On the workspace menu, you can create and change between your workspaces. So that is Armitage in general. We're going to get into much greater detail in an entire section of its own just a little bit later.